Some people want to gain weight while others seek to lose it. When it comes to weight loss, you simply have to change your daily habits as well as your diet plan. In addition to this, there are certain types of foods and recipes that can help you achieve your objectives. Most of the nutrients in the weight loss diet have a few things in common. They have low energy density and are rich in fiber. Moreover, you can eat a decent-sized portion without overdosing on calories. You have to take a second look at your diet and your regular routine. You need to keep the intake of fiber in your mind. Try to consume foods that offer it in substantial amounts. Even though people say that they are not easily digestible and make you feel like you've eaten too much. Needless to say, these foods help to regulate your blood sugar levels. There is not a single beverage or ingredient that you can consume to reduce your belly fat. Instead, you will need to make huge changes in your life. If you are trying hard to lose your weight and not seeing any result of your efforts, you need to make some tough decisions. With a persistent diet and workout routine, you can hope to achieve your goals. Some people get depressed about how they lose weight. These people should try CBD nugs to help cope with their stress and depression. You will lose your fat by adopting a moderate exercise. Along with this, you'll need specific nutrients. Some of the best recipes or foods that will help you lose your weight are as follows. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a prolific source of dietary fibers. Furthermore, it provides you 588 calories in just a 100-gram serving. You can also use it in many other recipes such as peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, peanut butter cookies, etc. According to research, compared to other carbohydrate snacks, peanut butter can help people feel more satisfied. It contains an amino acid that improves your body's blood flow and helps to mitigate fluid retention. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are among the most popular vegetarian foods in the world. They are rich in fiber and protein. A 100-gram reference serving of chickpea provides you 164 calories of food energy. In addition to this, it also consists of immune-boosting antioxidants and minerals. You can use it in salads, soups, side dishes, and stews. Olives. About 90% of harvested olives are turned into oil, and the other 10% are used as table olives. This plant-based oil helps you slim down overall. Consistent consumption of olive oil can reduce inflammation. This is because of the presence of the antioxidants and oleocanthal in it. In addition to this, 100 grams of olive gives you 146 calories of food energy. They are also rich in vitamin E and also consist of a large amount of sodium and other nutrients. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon will keep your stomach occupied for many hours with relatively fewer calories. Salmon is considered to be healthy because it consists of high protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and high vitamin D content. However, farmed salmon may consist of high levels of dioxins. It also helps in controlling obesity and metabolic diseases. It also supplies a good amount of iodine, which is a necessary nutrient for thyroid function. Beans. Adding some beans to your diet can be beneficial for weight loss. There are different types of beans, such as lentils, black beans, kidney beans, etc. Beans are high in protein, iron, carbohydrate, and folate. 1 cup of cooked beans provides you 9 to 13 grams of fiber. In addition to this, they also consist of resistant starch and a significant amount of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps lower blood cholesterol levels. Ingestion of beans can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Yogurt. Yogurt is a portion of excellent dairy food. It is full of probiotics and protein that improve your gut health and helps you in your weight loss efforts. Moreover, a 100 gram of yogurt can provide you 97 calories of dietary energy. In addition to this, yogurt is a good source of vitamin B12 and riboflavin. It also consists of protein, phosphorus, and selenium. Yogurt is also great for reducing the risk of level 2 diabetes. It will help you lose weight if you avoid adding sugar content in yogurt. Therefore, you can lose your weight by keeping an eye on sugary content in flavored yogurts, or if you can use it in a dessert. Grapefruit. The taste of grapefruit is relatively large, sour to semi-sweet, and sometimes bitter. However, it is a rich source of vitamin C with no other micronutrients in significant amounts. Furthermore, a 100-gram reference serving of grapefruit can provide 33 calories of food energy. Grapefruit contains 50% more citric acid than an orange. Its effects on weight loss are an understudy. However, there is evidence that grapefruit has a significant effect that can help you lose weight quickly.